Right, we're turning a spiral balance sash window into a weighted sash window. Weights are far better than, in my opinion anyway, they're far better than spiral balances. Here's what we've had to do. Because the frame is so narrow, what we've done is we've done a shared pulley. That's a shared pulley. I've shown these beforehand. Yeah, and this at the moment is just for the one. On Monday we'll be coming back and putting the other faces on. So it's only the top sashes that are working. But as you can see, it doesn't matter where you put the windows. It all works on one pulley. Goes all the way to the top and all the way to the bottom. We've got to adjust this yet, but that gives you an indication of what it's like. So that's in the closed position. As you can see, there's plenty of room underneath there. This box was here, but they put in spiral balances, which are hideous things. And so we've changed it over for a shared pulley system. Yeah, so the weights come in here and they go into the pockets. This has all had to be new because it was rotten. This was all completely rotten and in about 3 different pieces, and that one was completely rotten. Funny enough, the outer casings were in relatively good condition and we could save those. These bars here are purely and simply to stop us falling out the window. Now, once this is all done, then what will happen is that it will be covered over. Yeah, that will go all the way down, but there will be an inlet at the top and at the bottom, so that in the future anybody will be able to alter these if they need to put in different weights. I can't think of a good reason, but if the sash cord breaks, then that's the only time you'll need to open the box up. That's it. It works beautifully. It'll work even better on Monday once we've done it. So that's the video. That's the close-up. And that's the shared pulley. If you look up, as you go up, you can see there's a continual loop between them. There's the 2 pulleys at the top.